Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Cook with Kyeiwaa and Kyeiwaa Nenema. If you're a new person on this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you very much for your support. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this amazing simple vegetable rice. Stay tuned. So with this recipe, we're going to use about 2 cups of rice. You can use any rice that you prefer. I'm going to also use some peas, green peas here. And I'm also going to use sweet corn. About half a cup of sweet corn will do. I'm going to use some carrots that I washed and cut them into cubes. I also have 1 onion that I have already cut them into cubes. I also have the green bell pepper. I have the yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and also the red bell pepper here. I have salt to taste. There's curry powder that I'm going to use in my rice, and I have a chicken stock that I reserved for my chicken that I cooked. So my pan is already on fire and it has heated on a low heat, on a medium heat. I'm going to add my chicken stock to it. This is the stock that I've said that I reserved from my chicken that I cooked, which has all the spices that I needed. So my rice is actually going to be infused with all the spices and the nutrients from the chicken. I'm going to add my salt, and also I'm going to add my curry powder to it. That's going to give it additional beautiful look. This is my easy to go to meal, my easy to go to, and the kids love it, because of the color and because everything is infused in it. They love it, and I think this is the only time that I'm able to get them to eat vegetables. I'm adding my rice to it. I've already washed the rice thoroughly. So I'm adding my rice to it, and I'm going to add just a little water. I don't need too much water with this rice. Give it a good stir and just cover it and allow it to just simmer on a very low heat for about 15 minutes. So let's check how our rice is doing. Mmm. I wish you guys were here. The aroma is beautiful. It smells nice. Just give it a try, and you understand what I'm talking about. The rice has cooked really fine. I like it. It's not too soft and it's not too hard, just the way I like it, because I did not add too much water. I'm going to give it a quick stir and just take it off fire and continue with the preparation. This is nice. This is nice, guys. You just need to give it a try. Okay. My pan is already hot and I'm adding my olive oil to it, a little bit of it. And I'm going to add my chopped onions to it and give it a very quick stir until my onions are a little bit soft, that I can add the other vegetables. Well, it's done. I'm going to add a little bit pepper to it, some kind pepper. Yeah, I like it a little bit spicy. So if you are not a fan of hot or spicy foods, yeah, you can skip this part. So with this, I'm going to also add a little bit of salt to it. For the salt, I tasted my rice and I think a little bit of salt in this one also would do. So I just added a little bit of salt to it, and I'm going to add my chopped carrot to it, and I'm going to give it a quick stir until the carrot becomes a little bit soft, not too soft because I still like it crunchy in my rice. So I'm going to just give it a quick stir until it begins to heat up a little. Our carrot is done. You can see it's quite soft. So I'm going to add the other vegetables, the red pepper, the bell peppers to it. Yeah, and just stir it, and also add my rice to it, because you know these are just easy to cook. All they need is just a small heat and they are done. So I'm just adding my rice to it right away, and just give it a quick stir, just adding it batch by batch so that I can easily stir it. Okay, the rice is almost done. I'm going to give this a quick stir. You can see I've added all the rice to it, and this is nice. I'm going to just add my sweet corn and my green peas to it. These are the last vegetables going into the rice. And you can smell the aroma. It's nice. It's nice. Mmm. The rice is done. I wish you were here. Just try it at home, okay? This is beautiful. I like the color of it, and the aroma is amazing. The kids just entered from school and they are happy because they know their favorite rice is ready. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And if you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below and also share the video. Thank you very much for your love and support. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe. Okay, subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to receive a video. Thank you very much for your support.